You're watching DDS TV. It's hard to tell, but you can see the black Challenger on its brakes for a while. The gold van slows down, and then the blue van hits the gold van, resulting in this crazy highway crash. It looks to me like that Mazda driver got that special text from that special someone saying that her parents aren't home. How can someone manage to lose control of a Golf R? Those things are practically glued to the ground. Maybe if everyone drives half as aware as the camera, there'd be a lot less idiots caught on dashcam. If only everyone drove around with the camera's music, there'd be way less accidents. Except for people falling asleep at the wheel, perhaps. Terrible awareness of surroundings in other vehicles. Truly shocking, right?
Huberty opened fire and repeatedly pierced the vehicle with bullets, slightly wounding one occupant. Hearing a wounded teenager, 19-year-old Jose Perez, moaning, Huberty shot him in the head. The boy slumped dead in the booth. Perez died alongside his friend.
I want to go back to the times where we had to walk in manure to get anywhere. No one has patience anymore because the world and technology moves so quickly. People expect things to happen immediately or their temper goes up. I'd have been livid if I were in the camera's shoes and someone jumped on my car all crazy like that. The lady's lucky that the camera wasn't crazier than her. Eventually, she'll get what's coming to her one of these days. She was trying to avoid blocking the crosswalk and intersection as traffic seemed to be stopped ahead, but her only issue was that she was in the right-hand turn only lane.
So who are you giving the credit for killing SLI? Microsoft?
I never understood why they don't just take these people's licenses away. It's pretty obvious that this was deliberate stupidity. Calling this an accident would be false. The SUV wasn't involved. They went to the side and avoided the truck that hit the Honda into the camera. Hopefully they'll be spending some time in jail for that one. I'd love to have words with idiots that do things like this after it happens. The Toyota's at fault, but the camera was supposed to be on the right lane if you wanted to exit, not cross from the left lane. The camera had time to move to the right lane before. The camera submitted the footage as well as the license plate information to the Texas DPS.
To the case. I am not lying to you. So everything you have to relive it. Yeah, it was empowering. The truth was being told. And there was a small part of me that actually felt sorry for him, passion for him.
Out of his defense was that he himself had been taken hostage.
The driver was playing with her phone, nearly crashes, and then resumes doing the very thing that nearly caused her to crash. Very, very close. Thanks to dashcam footage, the camera was able to get the plates. A police report and insurance report has been filed, and hopefully the driver gets caught. That was painfully scary to watch. Something tells me that it's a DUI. Unfortunately, the camera's car got broken into. Hopefully he had comprehensive insurance because that usually covers these type of break-ins. The camera was able to track down the driver thanks to dashcam footage. Hit and run was foiled, all due to the dashcam. Thank you for watching. Please consider liking, commenting, and subscribing because it really helps me. If you'd like me to feature one of your clips, please email it to originalddstv2@gmail.com. Additionally, if you use promo code DDSTV on usadashcams.com, you